Categorizing is an important aspect of problem solving in early years learning. Flashcards provide the perfect opportunity to develop this skill. Choose a collection of flashcards from a language area that the children have seen before and that you want to review, for example, animals. Make sure you have enough flashcards for every child. So if you have 16 children, you will need 16 flashcards. If you have a small class, having more than one per child is a good idea. Decide which two categories you would like your children to organise the flashcards into. For animals, it may be fast and slow animals, or mammals and reptiles, or dangerous and safe animals. In class, draw two large circles on the board. Write the two different categories under the circles. For this example, I'm going to use mammals and reptiles. Hold up a flashcard and ask the children what animal it is. They'll say, "It's a lion." Tell the children that a lion is a mammal and point to the word on the board. Ask the class, "Why do you think this is a mammal?" Encourage the whole class to look at the features of a lion to decide. Things they might say are because they have fur or they have babies, not eggs. Some children may even know that the babies drink milk from their mother. They have warm blood. They can live in cold countries. Place the lion flashcard in the mammal circle. Next, show a flashcard of a crocodile and ask the children what animal it is. They'll say, "It's a crocodile." Tell the class that this is a reptile and point to the word on the board. Encourage the class to look at the crocodile and decide why it's a reptile. Now they might say they have green or brown skin. They have scales and they lay eggs to have babies. Some children may even know more, like they are cold-blooded and they usually live in hot countries. Place the crocodile flashcard in the reptile circle. Next, place the flashcards face down in a pile at the front of the class. Ask the children to come up one at a time and pick up the top flashcard. They look at it and show it to the class. The children can all say the name of the animal. Then, as a class, decide if this animal is a reptile or a mammal. Ask questions to look at the skin of the animal to help them decide. The child at the front of the class then places it in the correct circle. This critical thinking activity is engaging and works really well in mixed ability classes as the children all work together.